Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we'll be showing you the recipe to our homemade ranch dressing. There's nothing to it and it tastes much better than the store-bought ones. We use it as a dip for buffalo wings, vegetable sticks, and it can even be used as a salad dressing or for your burgers. You'll need salt, pepper, celery salt, garlic powder, onion powder, dried chives, dried dill, mayo, labneh, silverskin onion pickle juice, which if you don't have is not a problem because you can substitute any other pickle juice that you like or vinegar. The more detailed ingredients will be available in the description box and at the end of this video. If labneh is not available, you could also use yogurt, but keep in mind that yogurt is runnier than labneh and it's also tangier than labneh, so that means we will not be needing to add pickle juice. But to be honest, I prefer sticking to the labneh and I had it available. We always have labneh available in the fridge anyway, so that's what I used. I started out with 2 heaped tablespoons or 4 teaspoons of labneh. Then I'm going to add 2.5 teaspoons of mayo, half a teaspoon of dried chives, half a teaspoon of dried dill, half a teaspoon of celery salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, quarter of a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, or if you have black pepper powder, you might want to use a bit less because it can be stronger than the fresh ground one sometimes, and would not be the equal taste even though it would be the equal amount. We will also need 1 tablespoon of silverskin onion juice. You can substitute it with red grape vinegar or apple cider vinegar or just plain vinegar, but keep in mind that vinegar is sharper in taste and it's more tangy and acidic, so you would be using less than half of the amount. The key here is to put a tiny drop at a time after you mix and give it a taste and see if it needs some more vinegar. Or if you have any other pickle juice that you like, that would do as well. Trust your instincts on this one. Half a teaspoon of onion powder, quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder. I did add about 2 teaspoons of mayo at the end after tasting it because I felt that the consistency was a bit too runny for my liking, and I was making this for buffalo wings and wanted it to be creamier. So you can also use labneh to thicken it if you prefer using that instead of the mayonnaise, and if it makes you feel less guilty about the calories. Don't forget to taste before you decide you are done, just to see if you are missing something or would like to add one or more of another ingredient. I'm unsure of how long you can store it in the fridge for because we always run out of it the same day we make it. But if the labneh or yogurt that you used in this were recently bought and newly opened, then this should stay for up to a week or even 12 days in the fridge safely. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you liked the video. I hope you give us a like and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye.